Good morning and welcome to this morning retreat. Find a peaceful place where you can sit or lie down. Close your eyes and breathe deeply. Nature is a mirror of beauty, serenity, and power. It reminds us of our deep connection with the earth and with all living things. Focus on your breathing. Breathe in the freshness of clean air. Exhale the worries of everyday life. Imagine yourself in a dense forest, surrounded by majestic trees, peaceful animals, and a crystal-clear stream that gently meanders at your feet. Let yourself be lulled by the soothing sounds of nature, the song of birds, the rustling of leaves, the gentle murmur of water. Now repeats mentally or out loud, I marvel at the beauty of nature. I am connected to every tree, every stone, every creature. Visualize yourself walking through this forest, feeling the strength and serenity that nature offers you, reminding yourself of the simple and authentic beauty of the world around you. Repeat, nature is my refuge, my sanctuary. In her, I find peace, inspiration, and wonder. Feel this deep connection with nature fill you with energy, revitalize you, and remind you of the importance of preserving and cherishing our environment. Take a deep breath, taking with you the beauty and serenity of nature. Know that you can always turn to her for comfort and inspiration. When you're ready, gently open your eyes, stretch slightly, and move on with the gratitude and joy that nature brings you.